Going on, everybody? It has been so long since I made a video. Hopefully this one actually gets finished. I started a couple of them and unfortunately never finished them because nothing actually happened. But today, I guess this might happen. I'm not technically shopping for a new daily, but I am going to look at some new cars. My friend just started working at a Chevy dealership, so he told me come on through, come check out some cars. He's gonna let me test out, so I'm gonna come go check out some cars, and hopefully if I find something I like, the Stang might have a little companion. I don't know where I'm gonna park it. I might actually start parking in the driveway again, but because my new bumper, it's so low, I can't pull in my driveway because the incline or whatever. So if I get something new, you know, I can park in the driveway or park on the street over there. I don't know, but that's where we're heading today. We're gonna go check it out. So as long as my boy can hook me up, I might put y'all on to a little something. Also, I'll talk about that when I start driving. But yeah, we're heading over there now. It's about 10-15 minutes away from me, so it's not far. All right, we over here. My boy's about to go on a test drive. He with a customer right now. He getting that bag up. But we're gonna walk around in a second. I just gotta send off a text real quick. But the lot ain't looking too good, to be honest with you. But you know, I kind of do want a truck, so we might take a peep at some trucks. And then I think they have a few BMWs over there and some other things. So we'll take a look at what they got once my boy gets back. But for right now, I'm gonna chill, cool off for a second because it's hot as fuck in Georgia, man. I can't lie, it's hot as fuck out here. But yeah, we're gonna take around in a second. I decided to walk around while I was waiting for my boy. So they got an ES350. I fuck with Lexus. I don't know too much about them. My boy has IS350. Those things are pretty quick. My boy Jamel would fuck with this Camaro. It's a manual. I can't tell what trims with Camaros. They look the fucking same. I don't know if it's a SS, RS, whatever the fuck, LT1. It's a manual though, so we fuck with it. And it's a little Malibu. We don't give a fuck about no Malibu. Oh, my boy's back off of that test drive. Yeah, they don't got too much cool shit out here, to be honest. But a Camaro, I'd be down to fuck around with that Camaro, a little manual. But I'm really, if anything Chevy, I'd get a truck. If anything, or Camaro or Corvette, you know. But those are not realistic right now. I mean, a truck might be, but I don't know. I'm gonna see what my boy lets me fuck around in. So he got back. I don't know if he got a deal or what. Oh, she's kind of cute. Oh, my boy better secure the bag. Oh, yeah, he better secure. He can't fumble that one. But yeah, I'm gonna see if he'll let me fuck around with that Camaro or that Lexus, our truck. We'll see what he's fucking with. You can get the 5.3. We're gonna LS swap. I don't even know if these things have LS. I don't keep up with Chevy. I don't know if it's LT, LS. It's the same shit. I don't know. All I know it got the 5.3. This is I don't even know trims on these things. It's a Trail Boss. I don't know what that's equivalent to. Put it in 4 terms. You know what I mean? It's like put it in basketball terms for me. Put this in 4 terms for me. But I don't know. I'm gonna see if he'll let me fuck around with this. This shit got a little nice interior. This is a 1500. I don't know what year this is. They probably said it on the little thing. I just wasn't looking. And then I don't know. I like this color. If I was to get a Chevy truck, I'd get this color. Black is super basic. If it was a work truck, I wouldn't care because then it's gonna get dirty regardless. But as like a little daily, this wouldn't be bad. I feel like a 1500 would be good for hauling though. I'd need like a 3500. But I don't have nothing to haul yet. The car Mustang ain't fast enough to be in a trailer, so I don't know. And they gotta wash this before I touch it. They gotta clean that bad boy up. I don't know if that's more used cars I can look at or these. I don't know if they're customer car employees. I don't know. So I'm not gonna fuck around and start peeping into people's windows. But hopefully Eric finishes up soon and I can just hop in a whip and fuck around for a little bit. All right, I switched to my phone real quick because I left the GoPro in my car. But we are about to test drive this RST. I think both of them actually. I don't know what the difference is. And then there's a Duramax down there that I wanted to check out as well. So he's grabbing the keys for that, and then we're in test drive, I guess all 3 of them. And then I might ask to test drive so I found out the Camaro over there is an LT1, which apparently is a V6 model. So I don't really care if you drive a V6 Camaro, even though it's a manual. I don't really care at all. So that might be out the books. But yeah, we're gonna test out some trucks. I know that's probably not the most exciting daily, but you know, it's fun to just shop around, look around, and support my boy. What Chevy do? Malcolm Cunningham off of Mansell Road, exit 8. If you're in Alpharetta or you know, just in Georgia in general, and want to check out some cars, come on down, help my boy Eric out. He'll hook you up. They got some cool shit out here. Maybe not for me, but maybe someone else is looking for, you know, Maxima or whatever. But yeah, come on out here, support my boy. All right, we got the RST. My boy's going to fill it up with gas. First impressions, interior is super nice. I'm not that big of a Chevy guy, but they literally have pretty much everything you need in the interior of a truck. Nice space back there, seats fold up, like you got good interior, hella space in here, good, pretty much everything you need for like a road trip car as well. This car has no gas, or truck, so he's gonna fill it up. They have some partnership with the BP over here, so he's just gonna fill it up for not free, but you know, he doesn't have to pay for it. So I'm gonna see how much it costs to fill this thing up. If it's somewhat, I don't think it's economical whatsoever. It's probably gonna be like 120 bucks. That's my bet, because it's pretty much on E. But if it's pretty decent on feel, I might really consider it. I told him the dealership was like haggling me. Like all his boys are like, "Yo, so you really gonna buy a car?" I was like, I'm thinking about it. Because I am. I mean, I'm not, you know, scamming them, just trying to waste their time, because I am considering something. But yeah, dude, they got Bose speakers in here. Yo, they got it like that. Better than Ford. But yeah, this is pretty sick interior. Hopefully I can get like some driving clips. And like I said, I forgot the GoPro in my car, because I was waiting on Eric, and I threw it back in there to charge, and you know, here we are now. But yeah, hopefully I can get some driving clips of the truck. But I mean, this thing's pretty nice so far. All right, I'm back home now. It wasn't a long test drive that I did. It was a quick little one around the block, because it was peak hour traffic, so I didn't want to risk damaging the car or anything like that. But first impressions, I really liked the truck. It drove really smooth. It had a nice sporty feel to it, even though it is a 1500, whatever they're called, Silverado, Colorado, whatever it is. It was the RST trim, so it was that blue one that I ended up liking. So I really have my eye on that now. The managers were really on me about it after I left. They said, "Yo, keep in touch," and all that. I said, "Yeah, I will." So hopefully, you know, maybe by the end of the year I might get a truck. But I also want to test drive some Z's, some BMW, some other stuff before I make my decision on that, because I don't necessarily need a truck. I just rather have one. But yeah, so definitely like the truck. Like I said earlier, hit my boy up. If you are looking for a car and you live in Georgia. Yo, I'm not stoned. I just have a headache right now, and I'm really tired. Been up since 6 a.m. So sorry if you guys think I'm stoned. Normally I'm off the Papaya, but not today. So yeah, that's it. So I'm probably gonna start searching around. Maybe I'll go check out some other cars. Maybe this weekend. I have some other friends at some dealerships, so maybe they got something I can go check out. Should have done some stuff when I worked in Mercedes though, but I didn't want a Mercedes. My dad has one, so I can drive that whenever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I appreciate y'all. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Hopefully this little upload will get it rolling again. I have some content planned coming up, especially since it's summer. Everyone's back, a lot of meets going on, so maybe I'll do a little car meet vlog. Who knows? It just depends on what's going on, if it's a good meet, because I'm tired of going to these dead whack meets with Miata kids. No more Miata kids. Y'all gotta upgrade to something. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all in my next video.